Best motherboards for Ryzen 7 3700X. The Ryzen 7 3700X is built on 7nm FinFET processor technology. The processor with AM4 socket offers 8 CPU cores fashioned over 16-thread structure, a base clock frequency of 3.6 GHz ready to boost up to 4.4 GHz, and Wraith Prism thermal solution with RGB LED. This microcomputer is the true essence of a beautifully balanced design for PC enthusiasts and custom rig builders. In the tech and gaming community, every user's priority is to have an all-rounder rig that can perform well in gaming, content creation, and other heavy-load uses. If you're one of them, you need to have a high-end processor like AMD Ryzen 7 3700X. Research says having only a powerful chip is not enough to get next-level gaming flow. Top 3 products. 1. MSI MEG X570 Ace. 2. Asus ROG Crosshair 8 Formula. 3. MSI MPG X570 Gaming Plus. MSI MEG X570 Ace. Specifications. Chipset, AMD X570, socket, AM4, form factor, ATX, memory, 128GB DDR4, memory speed, 2666 MHz. You get an inbuilt dual LAN Wi-Fi 6 delivering up to 2.5 G LAN speeds. Further, this solution supports BSS color and MU-MIMO technology for the best online gaming experience. There are 4x SATA 8GB per second connectors, 2x PCIe X16, 1x PCIe X4, and 2x PCIe X1 extension slots. The cooling technologies include an extended Frozr sink for better heat dissipation, heat Frozr, and a heat pipe. The M.2 also has an extra edge to cool and stabilize the system. Pros. Armored body. The effective heat dissipation system. Enough USB slots for connectivity. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 support. Cons. Demote BIOS. No support for quad GPU SLI. Asus ROG Crosshair 8 Formula. Specifications. Chipset, AMD X570, socket, AM4, form factor, ATX, memory, 128GB DDR4, memory speed, 2133 MHz. The ROG Crosshair 8 Formula has an X570 chipset. That is the rule of thumb of the series. It is top-of-the-line addition to the high-end Formula series by Asus.
The AMD AM4 socket can effectively hold from the AMD Ryzen 2000 series all the way up to Ryzen 5000 series processors.
The dual-channel memory architecture provides you an opportunity to connect 4 DIMM DDR4 memory modules that are enough to occupy 128GB of volatile memory. Built with ATX form factor, it comes with 30.5 cm x 24.4 cm of dimensions. Pros. Wi-Fi 6 with MU-MIMO support. 5-way optimization. Excellent thermal design. Clear crystal audio. Cons. You may face compatibility problems. MSI MPG X570 Gaming Plus. Specifications. Chipset, AMD X570, socket, AM4, form factor, ATX, memory, 128GB DDR4, memory speed, 4400 MHz. This motherboard has an ATX form factor and offers 8 plus 4-pin CPU power connectors. The hardware components that have effective voltage regulation solutions run for years. This board gets 846M MOSFETs that make it possible to transfer the required rated voltage to the parts being fitted in the circuit like CPU or RAM. The AMD Turbo is a dynamic frequency boosting technique that can provide up to 4400 plus clock frequencies. Moreover, the Frozr technology uses the extended heatsink design to dissipate the heat fast and boost performance. Pros. Affordable. Voltage regulation. Unlocked for overclocking. M.2 heatsink. Cons. Software and BIOS features may not work.